Yo, what up? It's December 26th, yeah, Boxing Day today. And no one's doing any boxing around here. I'm actually going to the dispensary just to get a little bit of shred. That's a cheap weed that smokes pretty good. Tropic Thunder, it's called. Obviously, Christmas was yesterday. Happy that Christmas is over. I'm not really a huge fan of Christmas. Let's go for an adventure. Thing is, these guys screen and ask for masks when you're going inside. They won't let you in without a mask. They do not honor mask exemptions at this store. That's the only shitty thing. This is the menu. And they sell like bongs and pipes. So that's the Honey Pot here in Milton, Ontario. And I was asking the dude at the counter, I'm like, do you guys allow filming inside the store? And he says, yes, we welcome it. And I also asked him if he's a government store, federal. And they are federal, owned by the government. So essentially, they're supposed to allow us to be filming in there anyways, because it's supposed to be considered a public space. But I don't get why the LCBO, the Liquor Control Board, doesn't have any policies, doesn't allow filming in their store. It's very weird, very weird. I am at Glenorchy Conservation Trail. Shout out Tim. And this is just a little nature walk, part 2 this morning. Exploring some trails in my neighborhood. This is a town called Milton, Milltown. And this slope here is incredible for hiking, biking, sledding. As you can see, there's one hell of a slope behind me. We're down here at the riverbank. This here is the 16 Mile Creek. Looking beautiful. Nice little nature spot. Country road. There's even a barn house up there. What's up? These videos are a reflection of myself and my passions and interests and the perspective at which I am experiencing this life expectancy. Eep eep. That's what one of my favorite YouTubers used to say in his vlogs. He wouldn't speak in his vlogs really, but he would eep. AP Tour, rest in peace, man. This guy actually died last month making a video for his channel, and it's unreal. But yeah, he was a crazy Norwegian guy who got me into ice skating. Actually, he's the one that has inspired a lot of my ice skating on natural ice. So it is good to take note to be careful on natural ice because you can fall through. Know when it's thick enough. Brings me to say I'm here to do a vlog on this camera because it's, you know what it is? It's old school. And I'd rather do the vintage vibes on these vlogs because it was this era when I got into vlogging, and it was this era of video that I remember when I first got real passionate about it. So it's great to be different, first of all, because everything's so HD and 4K, crispy digitalness. So to bring it back to the vintage SD tapes on a mini DV camera, it's gonna be great, like I said before. So this is the life of not Nation, not Locks, not Mob, John, Craig, Jonathan. You can check it out here. And shabam. Rastaman. I might need to shave still. Oh, that's way better. The problem was it wasn't on mirror mode before, so the video looked kind of weird. Felt kind of weird when I was holding it in the selfie position. And one thing about me, vanity obviously is something I try not to be, is vain. Hence why I grow my locks freeform and frizzy. So with that comes the fear of doing a selfie. I don't really like taking selfies, right? So I think there's a certain amount of vanity to that, is people that post consistent selfies of themselves every day. It's kind of weird. So, but vlogging is kind of like a selfie, but with a video camera. So it probably looks kind of weird in public because I'd have to be talking to myself out loud with people around. And I look at you like, yeah, what's wrong with that guy? He's vain. People will look at me like I'm vain because I feel vain doing it. So it's a matter of trying to promote the vlog selfie without being vain. There's really no way around it. That's why I find YouTubing, vlogging is kind of a vain career. It's like Instagramming, to be honest. It's fucked up. What are you talking about, John? I don't know, son. I'm just here to talk to the camera, man. Release yourself. So, it's time to hydrate and drink some water. My coffee is making me thirsty. Look at this beauty of a car right here. Look at this beauty. I love this car. It's been serving real well. And I've really fallen in love with the brand Mazda at this point. They're pretty easy to fix and find parts for. They're reliable. This car's going on 320,000 kilometers. And I'm thinking like, oh, I wanted to get an electric vehicle next. But in reality, I'm like, no, because when you break down an EV, it's a lot more expensive to get fixed, and you need more specialists. But with this car, like I'm getting pretty solid with understanding the parts of it myself and knowing how to track down parts for it. So I would just get another Mazda after this car. And if not the exact same car, a model close to it. And I'm definitely going to stick with manual transmission cars for the rest of my life. I think these are going to be the rarer cars to drive in the future, because everything's going to be electric in the future. And I'm not really a fan of automatic transmissions. I like driving stick. So let's stick to stick for as long as we can in this life. I was wondering where that log went. And there it is. I thought it was long gone. Oh, I threw this in at the top of the river there. And it made the most satisfying noise when it dropped in the water. I didn't get a chance to record that. But there it is. It's floating. I was just wondering, I'm like, oh, it must have went by already, because I've been down here for a while, but it's going over to here. Oh, that's so exciting. Yes, we're not done with this thing. Now is the time, and the time is now. You can find wisdom in the simplest things. We want to see you drop. It's going over the edge. Come on. Yeah. What? All right. Oh, it's gone. It just disappeared. Oh, I see it. It's stuck in a whirlpool. Damn, alright, that was sick. Come on, give it to me there. It takes a real nature nut to be amused by something like that. You know? Damn.
No, yeah, it's long bread like a Philly. I get cheese, bitch, you feel me? Yeah, bitches feel me? We don't stand back, no, that ain't how we roll. How we roll. Yeah, bitch, I had bitch getting dope. In the class, I had told my teacher niggas no crashing up. I heard you do my bro, so you can't shit right now, boy. Ain't nobody sure love. Put your face.
It's a nice house. I always appreciate some good Christmas lights decoration.